Hello, my name is Teela and I'm the distributor for Faro Sugaring and Radiessence in Western Australia, Northern Territory, South Australia and Tasmania. It feels light, it feels natural. I don't feel like I need to reapply. It just feels really good on my skin. It's smooth, it's creamy, it just feels very light and natural. It has a really good range of mousses as well for retail, which some people feel a little bit more awkward about coming in and having a professional spray tan, so they can get that same result at home through the retail range as well. It's the quality of it for what I can see so far, the quality of the makeup and the tan for the price is very, very good. So you're getting really good value for money.